Hello students, welcome to the class. It's our GK class. Today we will learn 3 chapters together. Chapter number 46, 47 and 48. Chapter number 46 is Space Exploration. Chapter number 47, Well-known Quotations. And chapter number 48, Name the River. These 3 chapters today we will learn. First is chapter number 46, Space Exploration. Page number 61. First one is the first man to propound the space flight law. So who is the first man who propounded the space flight law? It is Newton. Option number B will be the correct answer, Newton. Next, the first artificial satellite in orbit, that is Sputnik 1, and Aryabhatta is the first Indian satellite. Okay, so Sputnik 1 is the first artificial satellite in orbit. Number 3, which was the space flight that landed the first humans on the moon? That is Apollo 2. Apollo 2. Option number B will be the correct answer. When did man first landed on the moon? When did man first landed on the moon? That is 20 July 1969. 20 July 1969. India's first satellite was Aryabhatta. I said that before. When did Rakesh Sharma go into the space? That is 2nd April 1984. That will be 2nd April 1984. Option number A. When was Atlantis, the fourth US shuttle, launched? US shuttle launched in 1985. The correct answer will be option number B. Number 8. The first space shuttle of Soviet Union was Buran. Option number A will be the correct answer, Buran. Okay, on 5th February 2003, Metsat-1, which was renamed as Kalpana 1, to the honor of the late Indian-born astronaut Kalpana Chawla, who died in the Columbia STS-107 accident. So, it can be a question that when did Kalpana Chawla died? So, Kalpana Chawla died in Columbia on STS-107 accident. And who was Kalpana Chawla? Was an Indian-born astronaut. Okay. Next, chapter number 47, well-known quotations. We will read this one. So here are pictures given. You have to arrange the pictures and you have to write the name. So don't draw lines on books. Just write the number there and write the names here. I am telling the answers now. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. This famous quotation or this famous words are said by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Number 2, truth and non-violence are my God. So this quotation was said by Mahatma Gandhi. We all grow better in sunshine and love. This quotation was said by Mother Teresa. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. This famous quotation is said by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Number 5, our good and evil deeds follow us continually like a shadow. This statement was said by Lord Buddha. Number 6, it is said that a man without a religion is like a horse without a bridle. Number 6, this quotation is said by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Number 7, at the stroke of midnight, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. This famous quotation was said by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, number 8, faith is the bird that sings when the dawn is still dark. This quotation was said by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, next chapter, that is Name the River, chapter number 48, page number 64. So first, what is a river? A river is a stream of water that flows through channels the surface of the ground. And the longest river is River Nile, which is in Africa. So longest river is River Nile and the largest river by water volume is Amazon, River Amazon. Okay, let's read the questions and find out the answers. First one, it flows through the world's largest rainforest, that is Amazon. It is the largest rainforest and the river is also named Amazon. Number 2, China's River of Sorrow. China's River of Sorrow, it is Huanghe River, that is known as River of Sorrow. Number 3, it flows through the Black Forest in Germany. The Black Forest of Germany, the river name is Danube. Number E. Number 4, an Australian river. There are mountains in this country of the same name. An Australian river which have mountain at the same name. Number 4, it is Darling, Mare Darling, or you can say Darling. The river name is Mare Darling or Darling, you can say. Number 5, the most important river in Russia. The most important river in Russia is Volga. Number 6, its name means son of Brahma in Sanskrit, that is Brahmaputra. Number 7, the rivers of Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is an ancient civilization which was formerly built between two rivers. Those two rivers are Tigris and Euphrates. Number 8, it is the same name of the country, that is Jordan. Jordan has the river name and the country name also Jordan. And a country with no rivers, that is Saudi Arabia. Okay, so these 3 chapters today we just complete. You will write chapter number 48 in your copy, because this is matching and I don't want you to draw lines on your book. So you will write this page in your copy according. You will write first, you will write the question and then you will write the answer. This is how you will do. Chapter number 48 you will write in copy. Thank you for watching.